The rain has finally made an exit, and then we're setting ourselves up for a pretty warm afternoon. Highs heading towards the upper 50s for today. Greenville at 54 degrees, lots of sunshine towards Spartanburg 55, Anderson down towards 53. Hard to tell, but over the lake right now, Lake Hartwell, there are definitely some ripples due to the wind gusts being so strong. Asheville right now at 47, but all of us seeing the nice sunny skies. Now, one thing to note for today will definitely be the winds continuing to increase throughout the day. Here in the upstate, we'll see winds near 30 to 35 miles per hour for those gusts. And then up towards western North Carolina, there is a wind advisory in place until 7 p.m. for tonight. That is due to the wind gusts nearing 40 to 45 miles an hour. So any Christmas decor outside, any outdoor decor, make sure to hunker it down until this does start to ease up a bit. Heading in towards Friday evening, we'll see gusts near 10 to 15 plus miles an hour for the upstate. Now towards our higher elevations, we'll still see gusts near about 30 until Saturday morning. They should begin to let up just a bit. Now temperature wise over the next couple of days, we are definitely starting to warm up, and we do have a temperature outlook well above average for at least the next week or so, and models are hinting at a big warm up, especially by Christmas. It'll be a warm one, 61 to 69 degrees as we head towards Christmas Eve and Christmas. By Christmas Eve, we're in the low to mid 60s in the mountains. Here in the upstate, we'll be touching near 70 degrees, which is about 15 degrees above average, and average is 51 to 55. But the good news is, if you are traveling, we are nice and sunny, and we stay this way. So no travel issues here locally, at least. Saturday, 55 degrees. The morning on Saturday is definitely a bit chilly. Then we warm up quickly by Sunday, which is the first day of winter. Heading in towards Monday, it's cooler at 51. And then by Wednesday and Thursday, which is Christmas Eve and Christmas, we are touching near 70 degrees. For the mountains, similar, but 49 degrees for today. It's definitely windy. Saturday, 54. And then the first day of winter, a bit chilly out there. And then as we head towards next week, heading in towards Christmas, we are warming up, and we're in the 60s by Christmas Eve and Christmas in the mountains.